Hello to my second graders. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Google Slides for your history projects. So to get started, we are going to click on this white rectangle that has a plus sign in the middle of it. And when we click on that, it leaves us to a blank presentation. So where it says click to add title, you guys are going to put the title of your history project, and then below it where it says subtitle, that is where your name and the date is going to go. And for this presentation, I would like you guys to pick out a theme. So we are just going to scroll through and click on this blue one. So to add more slides for your guys' information, you are going to hit this little plus sign and it will give you a new slide. Every time you click on it, it gives you a new slide. What else is there? To add in images, which I would like you guys to add in 5 images, we're going to hit insert, add an image, and then you're either going to upload from your computer or you can search the web and then do it that way. You guys can add a text box. If you want to do audio, you can. You can add shapes, word art. Let's see here. We can change the text size up here and the font. When you are all done with your presentation, you're going to hit present and see what it looks like then, and see if it looks like everything's there that you wanted it to be. You can also add in ways for your slides to come in, so you can apply transitions, apply a different layout if you would like to. You can, if you hit slide, you can delete a slide from here, skip a slide, or move a slide around. And when you are all finished with your presentation, you're going to hit share and share it with me, and then you'll be done.